It is a myth that only older people can get heart disease. If your family members had heart disease when they were in their 70s, 80s, or 90s, then that was most likely age related or lifestyle related, and it is unlikely that you carry the same genes. The food that you eat, the amount of processed foods that you eat, red meat that you eat, the lack of exercise, the lack of aerobic exercise specifically. Hi friends, today let's talk about common myth that heart disease only affects older adults. So friends, this is a myth because heart disease is actually a result of two major factors. One of them is genetic and the second one is lifestyle changes. So genetic factor means that you have genes that predispose you to having a heart disease or heart attacks. For example, if your first or second degree relatives, meaning your mom, dad, sister, brother, if they have had heart disease in their 40s, 50s, or 60s, then there is a chance that you may carry the same genes that predispose you to coronary artery disease or heart blockages. Now remember, if your family members had heart disease when they were in their 70s, 80s, or 90s, then that was most likely age related or lifestyle related, and it is unlikely that you carry the same genes. Now let's talk about the lifestyle choices. My friends, lifestyle choices like the food that you eat, the amount of processed foods that you eat, red meat that you eat, or the lack of exercise, the lack of aerobic exercise specifically, and if you smoke, drink excessive alcohol, all of these are poor lifestyle choices which can again increase your chances of having heart blockages. So, if someone has these poor habits, unhealthy heart habits, it is possible for them to have coronary artery disease at very young age. Unfortunately, these days we are seeing that there are cardiac blockages and coronary artery disease at very young age, as young as 30s and 40s, even if they don't have family history of bad genes in them. Therefore, friends, it's very important that you maintain a heart healthy lifestyle, which includes eating fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, freshly cooked food at home, taking less amount of salt in your diet, making sure you're not using too much of fats or oils in your diet, no red meats, eat more plant-based diet, do not smoke, smoking is really bad for your lungs, your heart, and your body. Do not drink excessive alcohol, and that way, even if you were to have bad genes, you can still minimize and reduce the chances of having bad coronary artery disease. So friends, it is a myth that only older people can get heart disease because if someone has poor lifestyle choices and does not exercise or eat well, they can develop heart blockages at a very young age also. They could be as young as 30s or 40s. So friends, ending on a high note, I highly encourage all of you to get running, get walking, get cycling, do whatever it is that makes you happy. Get out there, go in the fresh sun, cook yourself some fresh dinner every day, and make sure you are following me for nice updates like this on your heart health. Comment below with any questions or queries that you have for me. Thank you.